Hello, welcome to this new video. My preparation for Microsoft Excel World Championship 2023 is going on, and today I'm going to solve this case from the last year competition uh, already during the elimination phase, which is basically the social network by Harry Gross. I will try to keep this as much significant in terms of timing as possible, so I will probably be uh, a little bit quick, but still provide some comments to make this video fully entertaining. So let's try to do this. You just joined university, made 50 new close friends. Your friends haven't all met each other and would like to understand statistics. As I okay, you build out a matrix and someone makes a social media post seen by their friends and the friends of their close friends. Please answer the questions below based on relationship, the friendship status. Okay. How many friends do the following people have? Mm, okay. Maybe the I don't know why I okay. So countifs. I don't know if it is asking for just the normal friends or the close friends. Anyway, so he's asking for Haron, which has 11, so it's basically the sum. Okay, and so the answer would be to X lookup this in our network. So here, lock and returning BH lock, and that's level one. Level two, out of the following people's friends, who comes earliest in the alphabet? For the purpose of scoring, please provide your answer as a number. Aaron 3, what does this even mean? 2, 3. So it's basically a match of this. Mm, so match of this, lock the row within this thing, lock the column. Uh, yeah, I need the exit match. And then the mean of this. Is this the request actually? Uh, if I have any error, I will throw a 99. Okay, let's try this. Honestly, I don't find this very clear. Lock, lock. Need to look up for this. Yeah, actually, it's correct. How many friends do the following pairs of people have in common? Okay, I think I will build a separate worksheet for this. So example 3, extra cap of this, B, and I want to return this. So H2I. Okay, so Aaron and Betty. So in common means I want to have the friends from both of those two people. Um, mm, and I will probably need this, sorry. So what if I say filter of this where mm, no. So first of all, I need to select a row depending on the person I'm looking at. And then with that row, I'm going to filter basically the friends based on the relationship they have. So what I will do is, first of all, have an index of this thing here, lock where match of something here is 0, and I want the whole column, and then matching basically Aaron. Okay, and then let x be this. I want to filter x based on x equals this. Lock the column. Okay. Uh, let's say that y is actually this list here, and then I want to filter y based on x. Okay. Uh, let's call this friends. Okay, and close friends. Uh, friends, close. I have namings from previous solving of this case. Would be filter of y where x equals this. Okay, and then I'm going basically to h stack everything and transpose. So I'm going to transpose the h stack of friends and friends close, which should be there. Okay, so for Aaron we have 11, which is actually correct. Okay, and if I just do this, it should be okay. Okay, so the request is how many friends do the following pairs of people have in common? Um, so in common means they should be in both columns, actually. And so what if I just say if minus minus or this equals this, and I will reverse this. Okay, and then I'm going to sum everything. 38. No, clearly. Okay, because I have those very high. In this case, anyway, I'm double counting the same people, so this is not the way to go. Um, so those are the two lists of people. What if I just say if or this equals this one, otherwise 0. Uh, I'm going to sum everything. Okay, this is not doable with the arrays formula. Um, mm, 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 mm. I need to do like this. Okay, I need to do like this. And I'm going to sum everything, and we should be okay because I just need to look in one direction. So this is our result. Let's scale it. I don't remember. Okay, but let's say we have a sequence of 100 and that's it. And then we just say, let's apply the whole data table. 31 to 50, but we have some errors. For example, 36. Mm, Rebecca doesn't have any friends. Actually, she does, but she only has one kind of friend. Uh, okay. Let me try any fairer empty list and any fairer here. Empty list. We should be okay. Okay. We have a problem because we need to filter. If I just say to call, ignore blanks. No. Let's call this Z and then filter Z where Z is not blank. Okay. So in this case we have one. Let's update 31 to 50. Okay. How many friends do the following pairs of people have combined without double counting friends that they have in common but counting themselves? Okay. So example for those are the two list of friends. How many friends do the following pairs of people have combined without double counting friends that they have in common but counting themselves? So basically, I'm saying I need to have let x the h stack of this and this. Then I will do unique of x vstack. Okay, so they have 18 uh, plus themselves. Um, so I can vstack also those two, and we still have 18, which is potentially correct. So if we do rows of this, we might be okay. 51 to 70. Totally not. 51. Even and Charlie. So all wrong actually. Without double counting friends that they have in common, but counting themselves. Mm, so Ivan as Anna Boris Derek. So there are 9 of them. Fred Lara, Rufus Maximilian Moana. Okay, and then they have Betty, Edward, Elena is double counting, so removed. Gertrude, Mikey, Moana is again, Penny, Sarah, Wayne, Ximena is double counted, Delia, Victor, and then we have Ivan and Charlie themselves. So seems right to me. Uh, Please don't tell me I just need to consider friends and not the close friends. That's weird, honestly. 63 is correct. Boris and Kara. Boris, Kara. They have close friends, actually. Mm, this case, we're saying we have 20 minus 2 in common. She's 18. Uh, 61. It's interesting. What kind of friends they have in common by counting themselves? Okay, a little bit lost. Do the following pairs of people have combined? Okay. That's the problem, actually. I think I've missed completely that empty space which was affecting the count of friends. No, actually, this is not a problem. We have 17. So why? Okay, 51 is this one. 20. Mm, 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 mm. How many friends do the following pairs of people are combined without our counting friends that they have in common, but counting themselves? So I'm stacking the friends. I'm doing the unique. I mean, uh, really? This is not clearly the way. The fun thing is I already solved this case a couple of times before, so uh, counting themselves. I probably am missing something clearly. Uh, no, this is too weird, honestly. 67. Mm, Delia, Valerie, Ximena, Tamsin. But counting themselves. Not sure of this, but okay. Doesn't make any sense to me. This is horribly spelled because what does it even mean? But counting themselves, and then I don't need to consider them in difference in Commodore. Anyway, um, when someone makes a post on this workbook, all their friends see it, and all of their close friends share it such that their friends also see it. How many other people will see a post made by each of the following people? Do not count the author of the initial post toward your answer. If each sees her post for of his or own post from close friends. Okay. So, uh, example 5. It's basically this. Okay. Okay, so those are the friends of Aaron. In this case, I want the first of all the friends, and then I want the close friends. Okay, so Aaron has only Delia and Karen as close friends, so they're going to share the post, and that post will be seen by the friends of those people. So what we could do is to transpose this, uh, and basically to this, just the friends. This is the maximum number of close friends I could have. Is 6. So we're basically saying I will need 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will throw if errors. Okay. Uh, and so I will do a to call. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will ignore blank in this case. This is not working for some reason. I don't know why. Let X be this, and then filter X where X is not blank. Okay. And I will unique it. And I will say minus minus this is not this. Uh, Otherwise, I don't need to count him. Of course, that needs to be lock. Otherwise, doesn't make any sense. Okay. And this is not empty. So the sum of these will be 18, which is not correct. Interesting. Uh, actually, first of all, I will need to include also this. Okay. When someone makes a post, other friends see it, and all of their close friends share it, such that their friends also see it. How many other people will see a post made by each of the following people? How many other people? Uh, it's not going well tonight. So, okay. I think understood because those are the friends, those are the close friends, but here also the close friends of those people will see the post actually, and so will be an H stack of friends and friends close. So one, two, three, four, five, six actually. Okay, in this case it's 24, which is hopefully correct. We need another data table for this. So sequence of 30 starting from 71. Oops, no. We do this on the right. So sequence from 71 of 30. Okay, and then I will scale it. Mm, okay. Great. What is going wrong here? 71, so no close friends for Patrick. Poor Patrick. Okay, so in this case, I will throw an FR here and update. I still have an error, which is 86. So no normal friends for Zoe. Uh, yes. So I will throw another refer here. Should be there. Ah, some errors. 78. Uh, okay, that's a very silly one, honestly. This might just cost you the scores for the level for this very silly reason. Okay, let's try to flash the bonus questions. So if each close friendship counts as three normal friendships, who has the most friendships? So is this plus this times 3. So will be index of my friends here, where this equals max or match of max of this here exit match. Mm, so Kara should be the answer. Which person would have their post seen by the smallest number of people? Um, mm, 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 mm. I will need the list of people here. I will need this, and I actually will need this. create a data table based on this by the smallest. So index of this match main this here 0. Come on, Rebecca. Okay. 30 minutes now, with a little bit of commentary at the beginning. How many distinct triangles of friends are there in the network? Three different friends or a triangle if they're all friends with each other. How many distinct triangles of friends are there in the network? Three different friends or triangle. Um, no, we'll keep to the 30 minutes allocation. We'll probably need to think of this offline. So we'll stop here with 1,105 points, which is reasonable for the challenge. Uh, Sadly, I was stuck on level 4, but in my view, the uh, instructions for this level were not so clear, and I lost probably a good 10 minutes trying to debug in there. So I will stick to this result. And thanks very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.